What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV, and wow, first off, ladies, look at me. I'm looking so handsome. Either way you put it, what's good? Welcome to the channel. Little Roy TV is here. And yeah, I'm here, full in the flesh, baby. It's cold, so I have to take off my other sweaters. I didn't want y'all to think I'm wearing the same shit, whatever the case is. But if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. We're on our way to 400 subscribers. That's amazing. So thank you guys for keep rocking with me. For the people that did unsubscribe, I lost a couple subs, but we still strong over here on the squad. Like this video, comment to all my people that's new or whatever. I do respond to all my comments, so leave a comment what you think about this. I believe this is most likely a girl sneaker based off the title. I had to literally look it up on my phone what's the name of these, because they dropped so many I don't really know the real colorway about it. But either way, let's get into it. You see the title, you see what sneaker we're about to go over. So yeah, ladies, hit that Instagram though. Hit that Instagram DM. I'm gonna be looking for those Instagram DMs for females as well as fellas. Subscribe to the channel. Also, you know, all y'all could check out the links down below in the description. And yeah, they'll be down below. So let's get right into it. Damn, I look good. Either way, I'll see you on the flip side. Let's get it. Okay, so off rip, I'll read the name because I got it on my phone. It's called the Nike Dunk Low Next Nature Pale Caro or Carel, whatever, Caro. But yeah, Next Nature Pale Caro. It's a women's dunk. It's like pink, white, but you guys about to see it right now. I guess it was some type of, I don't know if it's a collab or name-wise or whatever, but they're trying to save the planet now with these dunks. First of all, this box says a whole bunch right there. If you want to just take a moment to read that, pause the video, read that. I'm going to just read it real quick. It says, Move to Zero is Nike's journey towards zero carbon and zero waste to help protect the future of sport. Nike logo right there. Yeah, a whole bunch of stuff going on. It says that's the size 11, by the way. It's a women's 11, so it's a 9.5 men's. Like I said, they have that logo right there. I don't know exactly what that is. And then in the back, it says a whole bunch of stuff here. Not really relevant, but the front, it says this product is made with at least 20% recycled content. Recycled content by weight, which is reduced waste and our carbon footprint. That's what it says on the side right there. Yeah, they definitely did something different with these type of random ass dunks, not your typical, you know, these type of orange boxes. But let's get that out the frame. It doesn't go anywhere, but you guys understand what I mean by that. Yeah, so let's get right into the shoe. They didn't bring no paper. That's what they said. They're saving face, saving a whole bunch of stuff. It got the cement bottom. I don't know if you could tell it's cement a little bit. But yeah, you can see a little glare. But it's like cement-wise on the bottom. But yes, and then inside you got that logo. And then lime green. But this is the pink version of these dunks. Mind you, it comes with some tag. Like, what the hell? They really trying to save the planet, I guess. It comes, same thing, the green, lime green logo in there. But let's get a quick thumbnail. Mind you, I had these when they dropped the new dunk release like 2 weeks ago. It's just I'm now getting to recording this because, you know, I've been filming a lot. But let's get a quick thumbnail. Look, the lips for the ladies. Boom. But yeah, these are definitely different. I think it's like a peach colorway. Resale on these are not too high, but you can never go wrong with this type of colorway. For females, you'll make some type of profit, I guess. But either way, it's right here in the flesh. Let's put one shoe down. I don't need to hold both to show the same thing. Like I said, I got that cement bottom right there, which is weird to put cement on a girl colorway like this. Like a peach colorway. Not really pink, it's like peach. Got that good smell. I'll probably hold on to these until obviously I can make a little profit, at least like 15 bucks, 20 bucks maybe. I'll probably put an offer so I can make 20 bucks at least, but what you guys think about this. Ladies, if you're watching, leave a comment down below. Do you like these? Did you even try to go for them on the Nike app? Let me know what y'all think. It's pretty clean. Nothing too crazy, I guess, per se. But, yeah. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe. Just a quick little review. Just a recap of showing these dunks. White. Is this a pass or is this a cop? Let me know what y'all think about these. I'll show it from the front angle again. That's how it looks. The back is nothing too crazy. The inside got the lime green for both with that logo. And that's really it. There's not much to really say about the shoe. You guys let me know what you think about them. Do you like the cement collab, like, together? Or do you think it kind of ruins the shoe? Because why would they put a cement with this colorway, right? I guess they got to do something. Nike got to do something to be a little creative if they got any credibility left. But yeah, it's right here. Credibility, especially about dunks. Like, they keep, it's a whole bunch of same colorways you look at. It seems like it. They're making different collabs. But other than that, it's a pretty cool colorway for ladies. I say ladies because, like, I don't know what guy really wants these, but if you do, hey, shout out to you. But that's it for this video, guys. I don't want to take up too much time for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Your boy Little Roy's out. Like I said, ladies, hit that Instagram DM right now if you're trying to go on a date. Other than that, see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Your boy Little Roy's out of here. And I'll see you guys on the flip side. Damn, it's cold. Peace.